Hi, I'm Mel Beach. I'm a fiber arts based out of San Jose, California, and I'm thrilled to join quilters all around the world as part of QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse number 10. I will be teaching two technique-based workshops that will offer you a chance to play and add new materials and techniques to your quilter's toolbox. Let's take a closer look. On Thursday, January 23rd, I'm teaching Warning, Modern Improv Curves Ahead. Don't be scared, but buckle up for a new take on modern improv curves. You're going to bring along a few of your favorite coordinating fun fat quarters, a bottle of Elmer's white school glue, along with your rotary cutter. Don't forget to change out to a new blade. And we're going to experiment and play with top stitch applique curves that are finished, freeing, forgiving, and super fun. You're going to see how quick and easy it is to create these improvisational curves. And then we're going to start adding that modern curvy twist to some traditional quilt designs, not just borders, but also pinwheels, Chinese coins, log cabins, and drunkard's path. Your head is going to be swirling with all kinds of ideas to incorporate improv curves into your next block or quilt project. Then on Saturday, January 25th, join me for exploring Evolon in your fiber art. We're going to play with Evolon. It's a super soft yet non-woven fiber that has many art quilt applications.
Okay, this is Evolon. You can see it's super flexible, soft. I wish you could reach into your camera, and very thin. And we're going to work with two kinds of paints. One is a liquid acrylic. One company that makes this is ProChem and Dye. They make a pro silicon fabric paint. You can pick up one bottle or multiple colors if you want to mix and match. The other company is Dynaflow by Jacquard. And again, these are very liquid-like. The other paint that you'll also want to pick up is more of a craft acrylic. So this is a little bit thicker than the liquid acrylics. And the companies and brands that I like are Folk Art Color Shift, Deco Art Dazzling Metallics, and Deco Art Extreme Sheen. And these have a little bit of sparkle, but really almost any craft acrylic paint will work. These are just 2 fluid ounces. Now let's look what we're going to do to this Evolon square. We're going to faux dye it into solids and more modeled textured patterns. Yummy. We're going to do sun or sunless printing depending on where you're joining from. Both environments will work, so don't worry about the weather to get some great prints. We'll do some faux bori stripes. These are super luscious. And then once everything dries in the afternoon, we're going to play with paint, stencils, and stamping to transform even more layers.
You're going to leave with lots of swatches, ideas, and inspiration to incorporate Evolon into your fiber art. Here's just a few examples of Evolon in my fiber art process. If you've never taken a workshop with me, my workshops are low on stress, but high in fun factor. I teach them as choose your own adventure, where I present you with a variety of options and you get to pick and choose based on what excites you that day. I always encourage you to add your own unique style and approach to quilting. And I pack in lots of inspiration, resources, and tips for your success. I hope to see you online in January 2025 for a boost of quilting fun and inspiration to kick off the new year. You can learn more and register to hold your spot at quiltfest.com or visit my website, melbeachquilt.com.